I'm Angela Rose from Angela Rose Home. I have a DIY and home Instagram account where I take places in my house, I renovate them, I make them look awesome. And my goal is to teach people to kind of do the same. My slogan is to stop pinning and start doing. And what that basically means is quit waiting around for the perfect moment to have everything be perfect. You can make your home a place that you love now, but you kind of got to get to work. So make it happen. When I first walked through this house for my first showing, I remember walking in and it's this beautiful high, tall ceilings, and then you look over at the staircase and it's this stair-step structure. The only way I describe it is it looked like this giant cityscape with these huge, tall buildings. And I remember walking in and my first instinct was, I'm gonna knock that out one day. I knew the look that I wanted, but it feels very overwhelming to then like, how are those then gonna be in my house? And so I feel like that one piece right there is the reason why people would kind of be like, ooh, that looks really cool, but I'm not sure kind of how to go about actually making that happen. And I believe that was one of the questions that I asked when I was talking on the phone at Viewrail to Justin, and I said, okay, so I know what I like and I know what I want, but I'm a little bit overwhelmed. Like, I think I actually said, do you think that I can do this? And I'm very confident. And I remember them saying like, yep, we're gonna figure this out. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take a photograph of the space, you're gonna get us some measurements, and we're gonna be the ones to kind of design it, lay it all out for you, and get you all the parts that you need. That's where Viewrail takes it and says, nope, we got it from here. We'll kind of take it and then we'll hand it back over to you. And so it works out as like a nice kind of partnering process. But it was so beautiful to me to see my vision come to life and to see what I had learned and what I had accomplished with my own two hands. And it was just like this special moment that I kind of had to capture. And these railings, they're all the things I dreamed, and now it's in my home.